today we'll talk about how can you enable like Waplog on your Waplog app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. You come to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down. You just come here to like Waplog here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color here show for us as me like Waplog enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.